Today I'm going to show you how to unregister your registered phone number for Gcash. Type in the Gcash app on your phone, then type in your 4-digit code to begin. After logging in, you need to tap in the profile settings at the lower right. Go to Settings, then tap in Account Secure. Tap the arrow down key, then tap in Unregister Phone. Then tap in Yes, Unregister. It will then ask you to verify your biometrics. Just follow the instructions. Then you will successfully unregister your phone. Take note that it will also log you out from Gcash. Thanks for watching.